In this video, I'll show you how to refund games on Steam. If you find this guide helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing. To start, click on your profile name in the top right corner of the Steam client and select Account Details. Once in the Account Details page, locate and click on View Purchase History, which is next to your wallet balance. From there, find and select the game you'd like to refund. Next, select the I would like a refund option and then click I'd like to request a refund. You'll see a screen displaying the game, the refund amount, and the refund destination. Expand the reason box and select the reason that applies to your situation. In the notes section, you can add extra details such as why the game didn't meet your expectations. Finally, click the Submit Request button at the bottom. Keep in mind, to be eligible for a refund, you typically need to have owned the game for less than 14 days and played it for under 2 hours. If you exceed these limits, your request may be denied.